Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do the jewelry clasp on Savannah by Knit Echo Chic. Before you begin, you'll need a few things. Your nearly finished Savannah cowl necklace, a needle, 2 cord ends, a lobster clasp, at least 2 jump rings, a pair of scissors, and pliers. You can get by with 1, but I recommend using 2. Thread the yarn from the bound off edge into your needle. Take your cord end, slip it on, pull through. Make sure the knitting goes into the cord end all the way to the top, but you do not want it to cover up the loop. After you crimp, you will not be able to weave in this end. So if your cord end has room, before you crimp it, send the needle back through. It's a little bit tight. But don't pull too hard or else you'll pull the necklace back out. Just there. As you can see, you see a little bit of the pink right here at the top of the cord end. And I know that the yarn is under where you crimp. Then take your crimping pliers and pinch the middle section, squeezing until it is flat and the knitting is secure. Again, you can see a little bit of the pink in between the crimped cord end. Now for the second side, thread your yarn onto the needle, insert into the cord end, pulling it taut. You want to get the knitted eye stitch into the top, but not past the top of the cord end. If you have too much difficulty, you may have to take out a few rows if you have a thick part of the yarn here. But as you read the instructions, if you're doing the jewelry clasp, I recommend you starting at the thin end of the yarn so that you don't have this issue. Once the knitted eye cord is at the top, send the needle back down through. Then take your pliers and squeeze the crimping section of the end cord until it is flat. And as you can see, you can tug on it with quite a bit of force and it won't come out. They are both finished ends. Now to finish off the jewelry, open up one of your jump rings. This is where a second set of pliers comes in handy. Insert the cord end into the jump ring. This will be my non-clasp side. If you're adding another jump ring for length, you can do so here, as many as you want, and just open each one as you add them. And once you have the number of jump rings you desire for your length, take your pliers and close it. If you don't have a second set of pliers, you can work with jump rings with only one set, but use your fingers to hold. Now for the other side, take another jump ring, open it, insert it into the cord end. This will be the clasp side, so before I close it, I will put the clasp on. Same manner. Line everything up and close your jump ring. And You fasten this around your neck as you do any necklace. There you have it. Weave in your ends, wash and block, and enjoy. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to attach a jewelry clasp to Savannah by Knit Echo Chic.